All she cares about is money in the city where she's from. Her intention is the paper, she don't need no freaking love.
I had parted off that little section in the front, but I want to show you guys another little texture shot. You guys, these curls are so pretty. So I'm going to be using Wella Color Charm bleach with 30 volume and 40 volume developer. So I just went ahead and mixed that up. I have 30 on one side, 40 on the other. So I'm bleaching this front piece with some 40 volume developer in the front, just because I wanted this section to be a little bit brighter than the rest. Make sure that you get every single strand saturated with the bleach so you do not have any spots that are not bleached that will still be like dark brown or black. You don't want that. So I'm just doing some slices, and what I did to get dimension in this wig, I would take one piece. So right here I'm using the 30 volume developer mixture, and then the piece up under it I'll use 40, but you don't want to go in straight across and do that. So I just weaved my comb in and out to make a little sliced section. And I'm just going to bleach this entire wig. So I did this in the front, and then in the back, I just kind of slapped some 40 volume developer all over it. I went in between the tracks to make sure that I got every single strand of hair all the way up to the roots. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much all I did for this bleaching process. So I'm going to be quiet now and let y'all watch this. So if you guys look closely, you can see that that first section that I bleached is already starting to turn. You guys, when I tell y'all this hair bleached beautifully, it bleached so quickly, and it had minimum shedding after being bleached twice. But as you guys can see, it is already starting to turn blonde in that front section. So by the time I was done with the back, that section was already completely done. You can see by the time I got to the back, that side section that I was just doing, that is turning blonde already. So move very quickly when bleaching this hair, because it is definitely virgin hair and it turns super quick. And I love that it was able to be bleached without losing the curl pattern, and it still remained super soft. So this is after the first bleach process. You guys can see that the curls are still intact. The hair, like I said, had minimum shedding, and that is hard to come by, especially with curly hair when you are color processing it. So you guys can see what it looks like now. So I went ahead and I just bleached the bottoms because I wanted the bottoms to be a little bit brighter than what they were. I did not take this all the way to the roots. I just did the ends of the hair. So after this bleaching process, and the first one as well, I washed the hair out with Shimmer Lights shampoo and conditioner just to tone out any brassiness. So jumping into the color, I used 2 colors of Cinnamon by Adore. These are semi-permanent colors. I use 1 Paprika, 1 Cajun Spice, and then I use a little bit of the Copper Brown. So what you guys see me doing here, I just opened the tops up and I dumped it all into this little Tupperware container. And like I said, I use both cinnamon, the full bottle of paprika, full bottle of Cajun Spice, and a little bit of Copper Brown. And I just mixed that all up. And then I went ahead and I got some conditioner. I had like the Suave. I'll show you guys in a second which one. I got the Suave conditioner, and I put a generous amount of that in there just to further condition the hair while it was being colored, since it did just go through 2 bleaching processes. Okay, so I'm not sure if you guys noticed or not, but the 2 cinnamon colors that I used, it was not the same packaging. I believe that they were like older. Because of the packaging, and for 2, the texture was much looser than the rest. It was very liquidy, and the other colors were liquid, but they were a lot thicker. So this was very messy. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So I would suggest putting a trash bag or something down wherever you're doing this. That's what I did to just make it much easier on myself. So I took this little spoolie that I got from Ulta, and I just stuck the spoolie in the color, and I just brushed along the hairline and all in the roots. I did that on the front, whole entire front part where the frontal is at, so I can make sure that I got the color all on the hair but not on the lace. And this worked so well, so I'll definitely suggest that you guys do that. And then for the back, y'all, I was just scooping the color up and I just literally slapped it everywhere. I went in between the tracks to make sure that I got it all, and I left it on for about an hour. And yeah, I'm just let you guys finish this. But after I did that, I just washed it out and then I let it sit in some conditioner for about 30 minutes. And I will show you guys the end result of this color. I'm obsessed with it. I hope you guys like it too. If you try this color, please tag me on Instagram.